Yeah. Well, just got the tractor dropped off here. Let's pick up a couple things that fell down here. Yeah, right there's the hood. It's got a little bit of surface rust on here, and some right there. That's fixable. Let me grab the light here. You guys can see a better view of it. I thought these were 23, 850, 12 eggs. They end up being 612s instead. I could still probably get about $100 for them. So, I mean, they only got a little bit of dry cracking onto them, so looks like they have tubes in them anyways, as you can see, so, which is good. So, the gas line's unhooked. They got a little like air fitting or whatever going on with it, so not too sure about that. And then there's this wire here that's disconnected. I'm guessing it runs up to this wire, I'm guessing. Not too sure. Not really positive what that is. I'm guessing it's powered to the points, I'm guessing, but it's hard to magneto ignition, so I'm guessing it's goes up here, but I don't know. Haven't tried the any of the throttle cables or anything, see if anything moved. And nothing. Well, throttle moves, but the choke doesn't. Moves up there, but it doesn't move down here, so I'm guessing it's all froze up, so, but looks in really good shape from what I can see of anyways. Put this bad boy up here. Focus, there we go. Yeah, actually this deck paneling is actually in really good shape compared to the last one I had. The last one I had has quite a bit of rot into it. There's a little spider there. Yep, still alive, but I bet he had a hell of a joyride. So, but it's got a new dry belt onto it. It's got a little oil leakage down there. A tiny bit right there. A little bit right there, but it's okay. These spin. So that next thing is whether or not this thing moves. Yep, okay. It actually locks in, that's good. The only thing I'm missing really is the actual lift handle. It's still got the whole assembly and everything right here. So, and I believe it. Nope. It doesn't move. So, probably all stiff and everything. So I'd probably have to lube it up and whatnot. And again, I got this thing up too, so it might move if I drop it. Nope, not moving. But I had something over here, but I don't know exactly what. Got new bolts and everything like this. So, new bolt there. So, It looks like it had some frame patch down right there. So, but that's okay. It's fine by me. I had a little work done right there too. So, anyways, I don't know if I can find it up here or not. Yeah, right there. 612. So, well, I'm gonna get to work, guys. I'm going to pull the rear tires off, put some turfs on it. And this tire's really soft. I might need some air. And I'm gonna rip that carburetor off and see if there's anything in it, and then take the gas tank out. And yeah. And then next to check for spark. So, alrighty, guys.